The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok PHEV will redefine the hybrid pickup truck segment. Inspired by the Ford Ranger hybrid, Amarok has a sturdy exterior design. This car is also equipped with folding side mirrors, LED matrix headlights and LED lights on the cargo box. Premiering with a plug-in electric hybrid option, the new Amarok promises environmentally friendly driving with an electric range of more than 45 kilometers. Amarok has become one of the top pickup trucks in the European and Australian markets. The Amarok currently offers a redesigned exterior. The car has X-Design bumpers and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which will be carried over to the hybrid Amarok model for 2025. Recently, there have been problems with Euro 7 emissions regulations, which has made Volkswagen consider producing a hybrid Amarok or switching completely to electric. With the Ranger adopting a hybrid powertrain, we think the Amarok will receive a hybrid in 2025. The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok has a bold exterior design that is eye-catching on the road. Inspired by the Ford Ranger, as always, the 2025 Amarok exudes charisma and power. Volkswagen's artistic approach is evident in the seamless integration of the front bumper and lights, which showcase a cohesive design language. With raised front and rear bumpers, the 2025 Volkswagen Amarok will be the ultimate off-roading hybrid pickup truck. Depending on the variant, the 2025 Amarok will offer a choice of 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, with the Panamericana model featuring 18-inch black alloy wheels and all-terrain tires for adventurous rides. Standard features on the Amarok include IQ Light LED matrix headlights for better visibility, along with LED taillights and LED cargo box lights. The interior offers premium materials and refined finishes that enhance the overall ambience. The Amarok's interior design will largely be a carryover from the 2024 model, with some lighting, ambience, and technology upgrades. Talking about technology, the 2025 VW Amarok PHEV will feature a 12-inch portrait-style touchscreen with the Amarok Core infotainment system. Like the current model, the standout feature inside the 2025 Amarok is the multifunction steering wheel, which is another carryover. The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok and Ford Ranger will usher in a new era of electrification, promising innovative powertrain solutions. Like the upcoming Ranger PHEV, the Amarok will feature a hybrid powertrain consisting of a 2.3-liter EcoBoost petrol engine and an electric motor. With its powerful PHEV powertrain setup, the Amarok will produce 300 to 350 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Volkswagen has complex considerations and strategic decisions for the 2025 Amarok. With the proposed Euro 7 emissions regulations set to come into effect in mid-2025, Volkswagen must devise a robust strategy to ensure compliance while maintaining the integrity of its product range. The choice between petrol and diesel engines for PHEV variants reflects careful consideration, with implications for payload capacity and towing capability. The 2025 Volkswagen Amarok is likely to hit the market in mid-2025. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.